what we're doing is we disconnected the speaker because that sort of doesn't allow any of the background sounds. But I just wanted everybody to have a chance. Hopefully the speaker on the phone will pick this up. Just all this awesome sound of the water running, all the different songbirds that we're listening to. It's amazing how many have come into this area now, because once you open it up, it gives them so much more habitat versus in here, it's limited. They use it, but not all the variety. Out here, we've got so many different kinds of birds singing. It is really cool. I'll just be quiet and let you listen to it if you can hear them. I hope everybody gets a chance to enjoy this on your own. Go out to some piece of state land or anywhere that you can get out there. But do me a favor, when you're out walking around and you're enjoying nature and you see garbage on the trail or somebody else has left it there, if you would pick it up and carry it out with you and throw it in a garbage receptacle or bring it home and throw it out, that'd be great, because just think of all the baby animals that are going to come across that, and potentially it could suffocate them if they eat it or anything. And just make it a better place, and you make the difference. Don't worry about who left it there. Those people, they're just ruining it for all of us, but you can make the difference for everybody else by doing your part to clean it up. And that's what we try to do. Just a little part I thought I'd add to it, but just get out there and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.